Hello everyone, today we will have a look at this now cooking LED sign that I picked up from the street. Someone got rid of it, so probably it's faulty, I don't know. Let's have a look. It's this is what they call it, not acrylic, I think it's carbon fiber, whatever. So the front is plastic, this is aluminium. We have a DC jack and a chain, should go here and there, and a vent on top and on the bottom. I don't know, this is also aluminium or maybe plastic. So let's connect it to the power supply and see if it works. I'm gonna use this variable power supply. I did tear down for this one in a review. If you want to see, it will be linked in the end of this video. Starting with the 3 volts, 500 milliamps, nothing. Let's increase the voltage. 4 volt, 5 volt, 6, 5 volt, 6 volt, it lights up. 7 volt, 9 volt. I think 6 is the right amount. I don't want to stress the LEDs. As you can see, there are few are dead. 3 here, 6 here, 4 here, 6 here, 3 here, and 3 at the G. I don't know if you can see it, but it's bright. Okay, now I turned off the lights and closed the turned off the light and closed the curtains, so now you can see better. As you can see, a few pixels or whatever LEDs are missing. Not missing, but they are dead. I thought it should be animated, but it's just on. Alright, let's take it apart and see if we can replace these LEDs. So 6 volt is the voltage required. PET plastic, and this is the connections. It is very simple, just LED strip and going in series probably. You can see some repairs. I don't know if this is original or from the manufacturer or it's been repaired. loose wire. Maybe that's the problem. So let's turn it on like that and see which LED is faulty. Doesn't work. What's happening? Okay, 6 volt. Let's make it 7 so we can see it better. All right, so it's on now. Turn the light off so you can see it better. Okay, now a little better. Okay, as I can see, 3 LEDs here are dead. It's hard to see, hard to tell which one is faulty. Here I can see these are the 5 that are dead and being repaired. Yeah, hard to tell which one's dead. From the back, everything looks almost good. For example, these 5 LEDs are not working, but from the back you can see them dim. I'm not sure if it's the LEDs are dim or maybe just a reflection from the nearby LEDs. Yeah, these are the ones here. What else? Here we have 3 LEDs are dead, which are these, I believe, or this. Yeah, these 3. You can see they are dim, but in the back they look fine. Anyways, I will replace the LEDs and fix it. Well, I decided to scrap it and just keep the LEDs. Here are the copper connectors going to the trash, and this is the panel. And that's it. Thank you for watching, and see you in the next video.